Good morning. Oh, I hear some sound. What did you just hear? What did you hear? The bells. Well, that reminds me of something a long time ago when God was just starting his church. God's people were gathered in a big city called Jerusalem, and God made a lot of noise through some wind. The people were waiting there, and the wind came, and have you ever heard the wind blow really hard or make a lot of noise? What's that sound like? Can you make that sound? It was like a storm. It's like a lot of wind. It came into this place, and all these other people said, "Where's that wind coming from? What's going on?" And they ran and they saw God's people, and you know what there was? There was like something like fire, tongues of fire licking at their heads. Licking at their heads, but it didn't burn them. It was God's Spirit on God's people. That was pretty impressive, don't you think? And then there was also, people were there, they were hearing about God in languages that were their own languages that they had learned in their countries far, far away. So people were telling them about God in languages they didn't know. And so it was a very, very special time. And when I hear our church bells, I kind of think about that wind sound. Like God makes noise in the world, and we make noise in the world, and that gathers people in. So I thought I would play some of the chimes. It just takes a second for them to go here. There, those are our church chimes. And where I live, I can hear those chimes from my house. And I think about how God is calling out into our community, into our town. He's calling us to come and to worship Him. That's what the church bells are for me. And that's kind of like that, the sound of the wind at Holy Spirit time at what we call Pentecost when He came. So I'm really thankful that God calls us to gather and to worship. So I'd like us to pray together.